How to cook Kabuli Palaw by Ahmad S. But first, get the ingredients needed, such as and the first step is to wash your hands. And then wash the rice 1 to 3 times. And then pour some hot water into it and let it stay for about 10 to 20 minutes. After that, wash the type of meat you have. Then wash and cut the onions. Then put your choice of meat into a dish. And it should look like this. And let it stay on high temperature for 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, add about 2 to 3 spoons of salt into a different dish and get rid of the water that was softening the rice, and add the rice in and stir it up for a minute to a minute and a half. Then put it on high temperature for 10 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, boil and skin the pistachio and the almond. And this is how it should look. Then pour the rice in a colander. And then pour the rice back into its dish. Afterward, add around 3 to 4 spoons of sugar into a separate dish and let it stay on high temperature for 3 to 5 minutes. Then add half teaspoon of ground cumin into the sugar. And this is how it should look. After that, wash the sliced carrots in hot water. Then wash the raisins in hot water as well. Afterwards, add some oil into a dish and pour the sliced carrots into it and heat it up on high temperature. Stir it up for 45 seconds to a minute. Continuing on, pour the washed raisins into a dish where the sliced carrots are and let it stay on high temperature for 1 to 3 minutes. Then add the pistachio and the almonds into the dish and wait for approximately 3 minutes. Next, get rid of the oil and pour it into the boiled sugar and then pour that into the rice. Furthermore, add the almond, pistachio, and the sliced carrots into the rice and wait for about 5 minutes. Now, for the final step, take your choice of meat out of the dish and put it on the other side of the rice. Once you have done that, wait for another hour. After you have waited long enough, your Kabuli plow should be ready, so enjoy it with a bottle of Pepsi, my personal recommendation.